in the beginning of the video, I spoke about the Chiefs when they have the ball, ne? When they have the ball here or when they have the ball here, phambili bayachange. Let me show you ukuthi bengikhuluma ngani. Then I'm gonna show you why Chislett was on the wing in that previous video. Sharp. Now, just want you to watch. Watch very carefully. Watch very carefully. Now, ngiyayiphosa la. Chislett lo Silver Fox angithi sharp. It's the back four. And at the moment, you see where Umunyani is. Uvila ukuthi ukuphi angithi sharp. Now, this is the first one. This is the first one. What they want to do here, they want to draw one of the center back of these center backs. It's either baphushe la, ispace isivuleke la. If that doesn't happen, it's okay. They are going to shift. But what I like from Scotland is bayenzeni bashaye a high line. Sharp. Ball comes where? Comes to the left. Now, Chislett is playing as a half 10. Now watch what happens. Now, Chislett sekala uvelipai wenzani uvelipai moves into this position. Watch what happens here. Seka kuba ngathi manje is a winger. Remember what I said? They switched positions. Sharp. Now, you look at where Uvila is. You look at where Uvila is now. Right? He's no more there. Uvila needs to what? Uvila needs to drop in here. Silva needs to stay because Uzala uvala le space le saga Villa. There's no need for you to rush there. Everyone needs to keep their position. I'm a player two. I'm moving in the one. So Silver Fox needs to stay here. Silver Fox needs to stay there. Now sharp. Watch what will happen. I need to vilo tropile la kone space la. We played there. This goal was not a fluke. Ball comes to the left. My valegile mfana to Sky Foster. Switch the ball. Now, I want you to watch this. Now, Chislett, no Villa. Uma have 10 positions. But now, it is 2 against 1 here. And it's 2 against 1. Okay, sharp. This small run. Now, this center back. Now, he went there, Gangan. Ahamba no Silver Fox, but uvule space la. Chislett, the white cheese. Uyenzani, he makes the run there. No communication. La boy 2. Play the ball inside. Pagat inside. That small run. This goal was not a fluke.